If you're new here, hello, welcome to our family, and today we are going to talk about how to be polished.
I style, no stylish. Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do.
They're not quite hard tips, but yeah, you don't have to rob a bank to look polished or to look put together. So here are the tips to implement. Ironing your clothes. It makes so much impact when you iron your clothes. Of course, someone can notice it and it makes so much difference, and it's a kind of turn on to me. Apparently, I don't know about you, because it makes it looks like you made an effort to look really good and put together, because also wrinkled and creased clothes are such a turn off to anybody. Second thing that I'm going to talk about, if you're a lady or a man, is to make sure your nails are manicured. Your nails are well done. Also for the men, it's I'm not telling you guys to go and do your manicure, but that is for the ladies. But for the men, you can keep your nails short and also apply the colorless nail polish. It looks so good. For the ladies, make sure your nails are done. It makes you look so nice, so well kept, and you take good care of yourself. Color coordination here is whereby you wear the colors that match your skin tone and they complement your skin tone so well. I'll go with neutral colors like white, black, and nudes. We have variety of nudes, yeah, so it's that's your homework, to check the nudes that we have in this entire world. We have so many. Accessorizing your outfits, if personally I wear if maybe most of you have noticed, I only wear earrings and watch, because I'm not quite jewelry kind of person. I don't wear bangles, I don't wear necklace, maybe once in a while, yeah, because also you don't want your jewelry to overcome your outfit. You understand what I'm trying to say, right? Yeah, so a nice pair of earrings and a watch, and or maybe tone your outfit and then you match it up with the jewelry, then that will be perfect. Excellent. Have your makeup done, nicely done, and your hair also nicely done. It makes so much. If you have noticed, if you do your hair, your face kind of glows up and it gives you that nice glow, but this is actually a homework that I'm giving you guys. When you have this not looking so nice hair and done hair, your face looks dull, but when your hair is done, it brightens up. Who has noticed that? Let me know in the description box. Hair is done and makeup is nicely done as well, to complement your outfit in general. And we are going to talk about you smiling. Most people say smiling brings wrinkles, but in this situation, who cares? Because smiling, it makes you so inviting, and it makes you look like you know what you were doing when you left at home, and it complements so much your outfit and your personality in general. Use your fragrance to make you smell good. And if you haven't checked my favorite fragrance in my YouTube channel, I'll pin it right here. Click on that to see my favorite fragrance. I did it last year. Invest in a few pieces to elevate your look. Shoes, a nice handbag, a nice coat or something. Yeah, it makes a difference so much. I'm not talking about, if you can afford it, well, that's well and good, but if you cannot, you have to maybe changa. You have to changa to elevate that. You need to look good, and yeah, so it's very important to have at least. Last but not least, we're going to talk about confidence. You have all that's I've stated, but you lack confidence. You need to get yourself confident. Confidence is all you need. I've said, remember, when you look good, you feel good.